In this video we will look at Grind Hard Plumbing Company YouTube channel and see how much money he is making. Now let's get started. He created his channel since November 29, 2017. He has 2,900,000 subscribers. Until now total uploaded 578 videos. And now let's go over Grind Hard Plumbing Company channel analytics. This is statistics views for Grind Hard Plumbing Company channel. Daily views, 276,880 views. Weekly views, 1,822,436 views. Monthly views, 8,306,000 views. Total views, 613,635,000 views. Next, video performance on Grind Hard Plumbing Company channel. This is the latest videos for Grind Hard Plumbing Company channel. This video has gotten 654,000 views and 917,000 views. The estimated income Grind Hard Plumbing Company with the latest videos, $2,616 and $3,668 since published on YouTube. And this is the most popular video for Grind Hard Plumbing Company channel. This video has gotten 9,900,000 views since published on YouTube. The estimated income Grind Hard Plumbing Company with the most popular video, $39,600 since published on YouTube. Now how much money Grind Hard Plumbing Company makes on YouTube. And this is the estimated income for Grind Hard Plumbing Company channel. Estimated monthly earnings, $33,000. Estimated yearly earnings, $534,000. And the last, the estimated all-time revenue Grind Hard Plumbing Company channel, $2,454,540.